Comparative advantage. Comparative advantage is a fundamental principle in international trade and economic theory. It's all about how countries, regions, or individuals can specialize in producing certain goods or services more efficiently compared to others. To understand comparative advantage, we need to explore the concept of opportunity cost. Every time we produce something, we give up the opportunity to produce something else. The comparative advantage arises when a country can produce a particular good or service at a lower opportunity cost than another country. Let's consider two countries, Country A and Country B. Both countries can produce two goods, cars and computers. Country A has a higher level of technological advancement and skilled labor. Country B has abundant natural resources like iron and steel. Even though Country A can produce both cars and computers more efficiently than Country B, it has a comparative advantage in producing computers because of its advanced technology and skilled labor. On the other hand, Country B has a comparative advantage in producing cars because of its abundant natural resources like iron and steel, which are essential for car manufacturing. To maximize overall productivity and benefit both countries, Country A focuses on producing computers, while Country B focuses on producing cars. There are several factors that contribute to comparative advantage. Countries with abundant natural resources may have a comparative advantage in industries that rely on those resources. Countries with advanced technologies can produce goods or services more efficiently, giving them a comparative advantage in those areas. Highly skilled labor can boost productivity and give a country a comparative advantage in industries that require specialized knowledge. Through mutually beneficial exchanges, countries can obtain goods and services they are less efficient at producing, resulting in a more efficient allocation of resources globally.